How to fix two-finger scroll features not working on Windows 10 and 11. So what we're gonna do is open our search bar and search for settings. And after opening our settings, we will see accessibility there, and we'll click on it. And after clicking on accessibility, we can see their mouse pointer and touch, and after clicking on it, we will see touch indicator. We should make sure that it is turned on, and after we will have to scroll down and we will click on touchpad. And after clicking on touchpad, we also have to make sure that our touchpad is turned on, and the leave touchpad on should be clicked, and it is clicked on my case. So you have to turn it on, and we'll scroll a little bit down and we can see scroll and zoom. We'll click on scroll and zoom, and we have to make sure that both of the options are turned on. Drag with two fingers to scroll and pinch to zoom. After making this thing sure might work, and if it doesn't, we're gonna open our search bar again and we'll search for control panel. And after searching for control panel, we're gonna click on it, and after clicking, we will go on categories, and after going on categories, we will large it, and after larging it, I will expand it, and after expanding, we'll get to see mouse there. We'll click on mouse, and after clicking on mouse, we will make sure that we click in pointers, and after clicking on pointers, we will make sure that we are choosing the Windows default system scheme, and we will also make sure that it is on normal select and click on OK. And after it is done, we might have to restart our computer.